This is not a mine. This is the ocean floor. And this is industrial gold extraction at its deepest level. Far below the surface, a highly trained team begins a precision operation. Far below the surface, a highly trained team begins a precision operation. Every diver here is trained for extreme underwater industrial work. Each descent follows strict safety and operational protocols.
Human expertise and advanced machinery move together. At this depth, precision is more important than speed. Gold is not placed here. It is discovered through systematic exploration. High-resolution scanners detect mineral density changes. This signal confirms the presence of raw gold deposits.